Hello and welcome to Accountech Bytes, your weekly race through the world of accounting technology in 5 minutes with me, Tom Herbert. On the show this week, as the AI hype train picks up speed, who's in the driver's seat, who's left back in the station, and who has hit the buffers. Also, Dex dabbles in browser extension integration, and a spreadsheet snafu puts trainee anaesthetists to sleep. Right, let's get cracking straight into the world of accounting tech this week. And my lead story, the AI gong is here. Let the AI gong ring out across the land. Because I have put together a roundup of new and exciting tools that leverage this new AI technology in accounting. It's really just a sort of work in progress, working notebook of how accountants are using these tools. So if you are using a product that you think your fellow professionals might find interesting, drop me a line and I will add it on. A link to this and all other stories in this video you can find in the description. As I've said in the workbook, Xero have been using AI on their to bolster their help desk results, but they have also announced that they have added some AI algorithms to their bank rec, so it can recognize new contacts in your statement lines even when they're not in your contact list. Dext, as I hinted at in the introduction, they've launched an interesting new feature. So this is a browser extension, or Dextension, should I say. So you download it on Google Chrome, it'll work on Edge as well, and it's sort of built to enhance the integration between Xero and Dext. I think they've got a QuickBooks Online one in the pipeline as well. What does it do? Well, from your Dext Prepare client list view page, you can open your client dashboard in Xero just by clicking a button rather than going to another screen, logging into Xero and then finding the right client, etc. From the Xero bank rec screen, you can hover over an attachment and see the invoice direct rather than having to go to Dext. You can prepare paperwork requests. So yeah, lots of things there. For full feature list, check out the article. And acquisitive Norwegian cloud software giant Visma have acquired post-bookkeeping tool Silverfin. So I think Silverfin is sort of market leaders in Belgium, but are building their presence here in the UK as well. So growth is on the agenda. What's next? If you want to hear me talk in more detail about any of these tech stories that I've just mentioned, then you're in luck, because I appear on our latest No Accounting for Taste podcast with our editor Richard Hattersley and the wonderful Samantha Nelms from Lily Iris Accounting. We also talk about late payments and AML as well. You can listen to the pod on this link or search for Accounting Web wherever you get your podcasts. Moving on, LinkedIn. Chris Downing has released a video. It's the sort of monthly Sage What's New video. Lots going on here. The one I'm going to pick up on is the integration of Sage 50 into their Sage for Accounts platform. So yeah, good work there. Good to see they're still innovating. This from our own industry insights page. iPlicit have posited it may be the end of an era for Exchequer. They're scooping me on a tech story on my own site. So yeah, is it the end of an era? I haven't heard anything about this. So if you do know, drop me a line. Quick people news. Iris have appointed Alice Reinders as their Chief Marketing Officer. Congratulations to her and them. A bit of general tech. Google have made passkeys the default sign-in method for all users, touting the beginning of the end for passwords. So passkeys made up of two parts. So one part, the app on the website server, so the service you're trying to access, the other on your device. So yeah, again, do check that out if you're a Google user. Finally, Lindsay Clark for the Mighty Register highlights an Excel snafu here, a mangled mismatch of formats, macros, and VLOOKUP practice that hit the recruitment of top trainee doctors here. So these were interviews for recruiting anaesthetists, and let me see, the 7 recruitment regions all had separate spreadsheets with no standardized templates or structure. Then they tried to all sluice them into a master spreadsheet. What could possibly go wrong? Poor old anaesthetists. I hope they managed to sort that out. One thing that definitely won't put you to sleep is my accounting technology email. So if you don't get it already, you can sign up by popping your email address in the box and let the yellow button do the work. That's all I've got time for this week. Please do on the social medias, like, subscribe, follow, share, and I will look forward to speaking to you all next week. Bye for now.